Again, nothing wrong with taking your money and putting in a GIC. I am not against it. This is not what this video is about. However, that to me is not investing. Hi, everyone. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. And so, continuing in our mini series on finances, I wanted to cover how investing. So, the first one, for a quick recap for everyone, was your relationship with finances. Make sure it's good. Second is making sure that you know how to budget them and allocate some of those funds. Third is now investing. And so, when I talk about investing, again, going back to the first principle of having a good relationship with your finances, if it's not good, this is good. Again, this is going to be useless for you. You are not going to be interested in talking about investing because, again, for some people that don't have a good relationship with their finances, or are unaware of, you know, where their money's going, can't keep track of it because of budgeting, they are adverse to investing, meaning that they do not like to invest. And so that doesn't mean that they don't try, because people still do. And so what some people do is they will take their hard-earned money and they will put it in a bank and keep it in, like, for instance, say a GIC. Now, again, nothing wrong with a GIC or with a bank. However, that's not investing. Investing is taking your hard-earned money and making sure that that money is going to grow at a better rate than what we're getting. That is a savings component. You can consider that savings. That would go in the second step of budgeting, making sure you put some money aside for savings. However, it's not investing. Investing is long term. Investing is not, I'm going to put this in today and I'm going to make, so much money. I'm going to pull it out next week. No, investing is long term, making sure that you have money 5, 10, 15, 20 plus years down the road. You need to invest. You need to have a long term goal. That's what investing is. If you are saving for a trip, you are saving. You should not be taking your hard earned money, trying to invest it. God forbid the markets go down or whatever else happens. And then all of a sudden, well, investing doesn't work, right? I've tried investing. I've lost all my money. Well, why did you lose all your money? That's a very good question to ask. Now, if I'm investing, I have a portion set aside. So I'm going to use myself as an example. I have a portion set aside every single month. Regardless of what I'm making, what I'm bringing in, there's a portion of my income. Now, it can be small and it can vary for everyone. Mine started off very small and doesn't continue to be very large. However, regardless of what I make, and my income fluctuates because I'm an entrepreneur, so it's not consistent. Regardless of what happens, I have a portion set aside for investing. That means that this money needs to go in there, regardless of what else is coming out, because I understand that in 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, that money would have compounded. And not only that, it would have grown. And that savings habit that I've implemented is working for me in the long term, not just the short term, the long term. So again, investing long term, saving short term. You get nothing else out of this video, right? You can still take your hard earned $50 a month and invest it. And that investment will compound over time. But again, you can't be looking for the home run, right? Some people would say investing and Bitcoin. Well, that's a horrible idea. I'll be honest. I got some Bitcoin, got some Litecoin. Why not? It is money that I don't care if I lose because it's after my savings and after my investing. It is my, you know what? Let's see what happens to it fund. And if I lose it tomorrow because of whatever, I'm okay. I am not out. My family's not in trouble. I am not having to go to the banks and get loans to cover my bills because of this fund. However, some people will take all their hard earned money and throw it in there and say it's the next big thing. Am I against Bitcoin? No. Again, I have it. but I would not say that I'd be the kind of investor that would throw all my hard earned money in there. Again, everyone differs when it comes to investing. So make sure if you are unaware, go and seek a financial professional who talk about the kinds of investments that you want to be in. Because again, not everyone is the same. So, what's a financial professional? I'm going to ruffle some feathers here, but it's not the person working as a teller in the bank. That's not a financial professional. A financial professional has taken some training so they can educate you on how these things work. Now, the people you want to talk to, if you go to the bank, if that's your first avenue, and I would say maybe for most people, that's kind of what it is. They feel like they can trust the bank. If that's your avenue, go talk to the person that works in the bank as an investor. Okay. Somebody that's in an office, and you can say, okay, well, what's your credentials here so that you can show me how to invest? Because I need to learn and I want to learn. Next best step is talk to a financial professional that runs their own business, that runs their own shop, and you can figure out how they run, who they broker through, and all these other things. My suggestion on investing: make sure that the money that you're investing is not money that you cannot afford to lose. And second, go talk to a professional. There, we're getting close to 500 subscribers. So I'm eagerly waiting for that to hit so that we can have a new little series started on the side when I talk to business owners. So again, everyone have a great new year, and we'll see you then.